Hello there everyone. In this video we will see how to make drop-down options or how to create data validation in Google Docs. So let's get started. Now in some of the forms or in online sections you see a drop-down menu, right? So if you want to add a feature of drop-down option in your Google Doc sheet, for any of the data which you enter, then you have to follow these steps. It is quite simple. For example, you want to create a drop down option over here. So select this cell and go to data option. After that you have to go to the data validation, and in this you have to select the cell range. So for example, this is the selected cell which you can see now here. Criteria, for selecting a criteria you have to make sure that you put in the items which you want to showcase. For example, we will mention these three options like yes, no, or maybe. So these are a kind of items which you wanna see when you click a drop down option. So this is the list of items which you wanna see. Now here it is saying that enter items separated by a comma. So you have to enter these options which you wanna see. So that I have now entered the options. Here you can see show drop down list in a cell. In this cell these options will be shown. And the third feature in this data validation is on invalid data. And if someone tries to enter here some data or text manually, for example saying hello or hi, then these won't be showcased if you select this option reject input. So any input by any user which you wanna enter in this cell, if you don't want to see that, then select this option reject input. When selected this option, you will only see those three options in the above section which you have entered, right? So now after doing this kind of stuff you have to click save and see new. Okay, the document is saved now. Got it. So here you can see the drop down arrow, and here are those three options which I have entered: yes, no, and maybe. So for example, you give a title work status, right, or status of the work. For example, finished. So your employee might enter yes, no, maybe, or you can add more options as per your wish. So this is how a drop down list is created in Google Docs. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.